Everybody, Kim up training here on the homestead. So yesterday we went to Corvallis, Montana. About 2 hours, I guess, roughly 2 hours, to pick up our storage tanks. So we got these two from somebody that works for the state of Montana, painting the yellow lines. And you say paint, it's all water-based paint for vegetation runoff on the roads too. But then what they do is they put a special sealer on top of that, a latex sealer with the glitter stuff in it, so it reflects.
Epoxy sealer, by the way.
Epoxy. So we'll be able to rinse these out and get the residual out. And then this is just for watering our gardens and stuff. And then we stopped at a tractor store and picked up a brand new one because we have a little bit of work to do on these. We have to put new valves on them and stuff like that. These things were like 20 bucks a piece because the valve is broken at the bottom and we're gonna have to rinse them out and do some work. So the 2-hour drive to go pick up these for that cheap was awesome because that was way too expensive. I'm not even telling you how much it was because it was just ridiculous. So we're unloading these now to get them over by the garden. I can't drive the truck and the trailer around back there. It's just too tight getting around the garage and the greenhouse area. So we're gonna take this one first and we're gonna put it on the Ranger, and then we're gonna drive up to the high side of the garden and lift it down. They're actually not very heavy at all. Myself and just one of the tractor store employees lifted it up over the back and into there. So obviously Katrina and I can handle it. So we're gonna do that one first so that we can get that one full of water. All of our rain barrels are full right now, 55 gallons each. These are 275 gallons. So we're gonna fill that one up right away so that if it rains again, we can just keep collecting water and water and water. And then, like I said, we have to order parts for these two, get them cleaned out, and then we'll start utilizing these as well. So that hopefully we have enough rainwater for the whole season. If not, we always have the option. We can go down to the creek and get 5-gallon buckets of water and stuff and put a lid on them and put them in here and bring them up. So that's the project for now. So after we get this one off and loaded on here, we'll take a picture or do another video as we're offloading it over by the garden. All right, that was it. So fun day out yesterday. It was all day though. We left here, I think we left Deer Lodge right at 11 o'clock. And we didn't get back here for like 6. But we stopped at a brewery too yesterday. So Bitterroot Brewing Company, right at the foot of the Bitterroot Mountains. It was actually really gorgeous. Okay, gotta get to work. Okay, see you, bye.
All right, folks, here she goes. Hi everybody. So we got everything over here, got it unloaded off the Ranger, and now I'm standing in, I don't know, the pit. And you can see that up there, and that's got to make its way down here. We leveled this all up, put our cinder blocks, so now it's raised up so we can empty it. But,
so what is it, like 8 feet?
well, no, because I'm not that tall. So
6 foot drop.
It's got to come down about 5 feet higher if we chose that side. But it's a little over, I think they're supposed to be about 128 pounds.
Yeah, something like that. We can handle it.
So,
all right, so
fun stuff.
I'm actually going to hand the video to Katrina so she can show from down there what it looks like.
Oh, here's what I'm looking at.
All right.
She's my guide. It's just a guide.
Let's get her done.
See you soon. Wish us luck. And the last two are noisily making their way through the woods. So we can bring them around to the back of the garage and work on getting the paint out so we can use them. Okay, we're back. So the tank is all set up and we installed our Emery sump pump into the bottom here. And the hose goes all the way out. To back there. You can see Kim's little head. And the tank is, you know, right back there.
Come on back and we'll show them how it's filling.
and it's filling. Happy to beans. Chickens, bunnies.
I'll take it from you. Walk back. Hey everybody. Alright, so we're walking back to the tank, which is currently filling. You can hear it probably. So we're going to transfer that rain barrel that we had out there. Actually, there's 2 of them out there. And then we do have one here. Ooh, Jane's got this really zoomed out. We do have one here by the garden too. We have to finish hooking in our little drain spouts right here. So we got a drain spout on each side. We're going to run a little Y to fill here also. All right, so Katrina's headed back. Check out that pump. I'm here. Those are the 2 other tanks staged for now until we can get those cleaned out. All right, got to keep working. Stuff to do in the homestead. Take care, everybody. Bye. All right, so we're currently on our 2nd bucket. Pumping that out. Getting that going. And I just had Katrina check the solar. And what'd you say about the solar?
When you had me check it the first time, it was at 96.8.
With the pump running.
With the pump running.
Okay.
So we moved it from barrel 1 to barrel 2.
Yep.
Let it run for a little bit. Checked it again, we're at 97. So that means that the power of the sun is stronger than the pump and everything else that's running in the house, the fridge and, you know, all that
Yeah,
stuff.
so, you know, we're currently plugged into the wall here, running an extension cord for the pump and everything. But so I just wanted to make sure we added that. And then
added the fact that we're not living in a cave and off grid. I still live like a normal person.
Yep, and so there's our solar panel up there. And obviously you see it's a bright, beautiful Montana day. And the sun is just powering us up.
And actually, if we're going to be honest,
yes, let's be honest.
The first part of the day, it was actually pretty overcast because I was a little chilly.
It was.
So, I mean, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. The batteries are already at 97. So
yep.
By like 2 o'clock, we'll be full.
And the thermometer right over Katrina's shoulder shows like 70-ish.
Yeah, 74.
So, all right. Just want to make sure we added that in there about solar. Okay, so we're just gonna keep pumping away here, and at the very end, we'll see where we end up with the barrel or the giant tub. Okay, peace out from the homestead.
Peace out, homie.